East Yorkshire Directory.pdf document. Page has 87 headings and 163 links. East Yorkshire Directory.pdf East Yorkshire.
In this session, we're going to look at how to add a title to a document. When we did the accessibility check last time, we found that the title had failed. So that means that no title has been given, or the title that's been given doesn't make any sense. So first of all, let's right-click and click Fix. This brings up a pop-up box, and you can see that there's no title, no subject, no author, no keywords. Actually, there is an author. So untick the Leave As Is button, and we'll add a title. East Yorkshire Countryside Directory. East Yorkshire Accessible Countryside Directory. Okay. Let's put the subject Accessible Countryside. We'll leave the author as it is. We won't put any keywords in. Click OK. And now you can see that the title has passed. Before we close, we're going to save our document.
East Yorkshire Accessible Countryside Directory Adobe Acrobat Pro DC 32-bit.